Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your PIN code on Nothing Phone 3, a Lite smartphone. So if you cannot access your device using your PIN code, then the best decision would be trying to reach out to Nothing customer support service and telling them about your issue and asking them for help. And if you can prove the ownership of this device to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this device, or using any other way that they accept, they'll be able to help you out with your problem without removing any data from your device. Now, if you cannot go this way, you can still perform a factory reset operation on your phone in order to regain access to it. However, the factory reset operation will remove everything from your device, so all your personal files, all your personal photos, everything else, applications, and the rest of the data will be removed unless you have some sort of a backup on your device. So then you'll be able to back up your data, to restore your data from backup. However, in order to perform factory reset operation, you can either use the recovery mode if you want. This way you'll perform factory reset operation locally on your phone. If you want to perform it locally, then you're highly welcome to check out our other video on how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on Nothing Phone 3 Lite. And if you want to perform this operation remotely, you can do that too if you have a Google account set up on this device. In such case, you just have to let me just turn off the airplane mode. You have to open your web browser and search for the FindHub service. You can do this on any other device that you have access to, that has access to the internet. Just open the FindHub website and log into your Google account there. Then select your Nothing phone from the list. Then tap. Your Nothing phone menu will not look like this. You'll have a gear icon somewhere here. Just tap on it and you'll see the factory reset this device option. Just tap on it, perform a factory reset operation remotely, and once your device once the factory reset is complete, you'll be able to start using your device as a new one. Besides, I had to mention it before, but make sure that you're trying to enter your security PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. And in case you do remember the PIN code you used the last time to access your device, but it isn't working this time, then it might be due to some third-party applications or background activity that are affecting the way that your lock screen behaves on your phone. In such case, you're gonna have to reboot your device into safe mode, and you can do this in a couple simple steps. Just force restart your device by holding down the power button and volume up key at the same time for about 10 seconds until the screen of your phone goes off. Then you'll see the Nothing logo on your screen, and once you see it, start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your device boots up. In a moment, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, and that will indicate that you successfully entered the safe mode. If you don't see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner, then you should try again. Okay, so once you're in the safe mode and all the background activities are blocked by default, try entering your PIN once again, and if you succeed, before trying to figure out which kind of application could have caused this kind of behavior, go to settings, then navigate to security and privacy section, and here go to device unlock, go to screen lock, enter your PIN code once again to confirm, and then select either none or swipe and tap delete to confirm. And now to reboot your device into normal mode, again press power button and volume up key at the same time, and then select restart. And so that's it. That's all the solutions for your issue. I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.